I'm seeing from rentalmilan.com. This is Albert apartment near Bocconi, just 3-4 tram stops away. It's in ground floor. This is the living area, the dining area, AC, sofa bed, TV, very fast, unlimited internet, all inclusive price. This is a virtual tour of it, and I make a video tour from it. Let's see the entrance area also. This is a private courtyard. Actually, there is only one other guy living there. Okay, this is the kitchen. I really like the house. It's small, but we have had 2 guys living here also. It's gutted in a good way. Dishwasher, full fridge, AVAC system, actually also air system. Here, bathroom. Let's show the bathroom. Nice shower. Nice. Ciao. Bedroom. Can be also 2 single beds. And here also AC here, and here inside there is a wardrobe with washing machine and a lot of space for your stuff. To check the price and availability, ask please Ottavia. I let you the link in downstairs in the description, and I hope you like it, and see you soon here in Milano.